Hello everybody, Chef Ryan, here to do proofing of one of my favorite items, the cinnamon roll. What's great about proofing is the process not only helps with the dough to rise, but it also develops the flavor and the texture in our items. The majority of our proofing cabinets in all of our schools come with a proofing setting, which allows us to proof multiple items at one time. As you see, we have our dinner rolls, our cinnamon rolls, and our pizza dough in our proofer. It's set at the proofing setting, and each recipe designates how long that item is going to proof. Today with our cinnamon rolls, we're going to remove them when they have doubled in size, as you can see here. We're going to place them into our oven and bake them. Half the way through, we are going to rotate. And as you see already, we are starting to bloom and grow these cinnamon rolls to the sizes that we would like. They are starting to become a light golden brown, and we are going to finish them when they are a golden brown. So once we rotate them, close the doors, finish cooking them. Remove them and let them cool. This is a very important process because if you try to ice them when they are warm, the icing is just going to run off. So as they are cooling, go ahead and make your icing. Look at the consistency of the icing that we have. Follow the recipe. It is a lot easier to heat the icing in the oven, which makes it more pourable. I am placing it into a plastic measuring cup, and I'm using a slotted spoon to help with my icing technique. We have found and learned that this is the easiest way to distribute your icing evenly through all the cinnamon rolls. Use all the icing that you have melted. And I hope you enjoyed the fruits of our labor as much as we enjoyed bringing them to you.